Welcome back to another episode. No, but today we're back in the garage, and now it's 2 days since we did the first layer of paint, and we were down yesterday, covered up a little bit more of the floor, and also checked over the result. And we're a bit concerned because a big part of the wall seems to not accept our paint, as you can see here. This has been just chipping off like really light. Of course, it's probably partially because we need to have a really long time to wait for the paint to dry because it's still a bit wet, and
I think it's very much moisture in the concrete as well.
I think that's the big problem. So hopefully we're going to try to add primer. We added primer yesterday on that part, so we're going to see if that accepts the paint. And also we have some part of the wall that's bleeding through, so it gets like this brownish color. We don't really know if this is something that can be covered up, or if it's something that will become a problem. But we're gonna leave it to dry for now. So today was actually the plan to add the second layer, but we're not going to do that. Today we're just going to fill up all of that hasn't been painted yet. So
we get one layer of the whole garage,
and
then we go over the second time, hopefully.
Yeah, and we'll add a few days of drying, hopefully. We have the paint gun for until next week, Tuesday, so maybe aim to do another pass by the weekend, something like that. So. Yeah.
And unfortunately we need to skip to polish the floors as well, so we're a bit off.
A bit off schedule, but we'll try to postpone the grinding of the floor until later this week or next week maybe, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can get the walls to accept the white color, and we'll take it from there. But anyhow, it's time to get to work, so let's get into the space suits and work. There we go. Now we have white ceiling all the way. Now we're just gonna let it dry up for maybe 2 days, and I'm gonna take one run here down tomorrow and see if our fix worked, because we have tried to put primer on the spot now, and we'll see if that contains it. It looks like it's working right now at least, so hopefully it stays that way. So right now I'm gonna go home and relax a bit. What's up guys? We're back in the garage. This is Rickard. You've seen him before. the guy with the red RX-7. You going to move in here?
Yes, I will. That's my corner.
Yeah, this is his corner. When we get the paint to stick, well, we'll see.
We'll see, yes.
We actually went up to another paint dealer and asked for some suggestion on fixing the problem with the paint. So we got 2 different color options that we're going to try just to see if that works, and then we might have a plan for that. But we also went up to his work, Skanska, and rented 2
demoisturizers.
Demoisturizer. Probably not the right word, but we're going to try to suck all of the moisture or water out from the walls and make the paint dry faster, and also perhaps clear some of the water out from the walls and maybe make it easier to paint. So yeah, let's get out and get it from the car and hopefully fix the problem. Demoisturizer. Det låter som snusksaker. Well, there we go. Now we have the demoisturizers going. So we got 2 different colors to try. This is a silicate färg in Swedish, and this is an oil-based color. So we're gonna try them both on one of the clean surfaces that hasn't got stuck yesterday, and also one of the painted planets that has been bled through. So we're gonna try 2 squares each and see what happens. Ja, men... Det är rejält mycket tjockare alltså. Vi ser om det stämmer överens hyfsat kulörmässigt, men det verkar rätt nära.
Mårten.
So this is one of the worst spots with the bleed through, so I'm gonna try and see if this works together or if it will dissolve the paint underneath. Well, we'll see. So we do a square here as well. So to explain, this is the silicate, and now it's time for the oil-based paint. We'll see. Use 1 square each and see what happens. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Like Michelangelo.
It feels like a little bit more oil. I don't know.
Everything with oil is better.
Everything with oil is better.
The more dangerous, the better. Känns nästan.
Yeah.
Well, that says a lot about how the walls are. Yep.
Yep.
3 minutes in. Definitely going to be interesting to see tomorrow or next year, because today is the day before the New Year's Eve, and see how much water has been collected. So it feels good to have taken a step to try it at least, and hopefully these paint tests work, and we might have a solution of covering up the pieces that don't accept the other paint we're using. So should be good. So that's it for today. Bye. What's up, guys? I'm back. Today it's officially the first day of 2021, and I'm back down in the shop because I'm going to check over the dehumidifier. We're gonna try to see how much water is in them today. Yesterday we emptied it because it was almost full yesterday as well. So we'll see how much it is right now. Okay, one of them was almost full again. The other one seemed to have stopped somehow. I probably didn't get the bucket into the correct position, so that's a bit of a bummer, but I'll put it in now and let it rip for 1 or 2 days more and see if we can get some more humidity out of this workshop. But that's good. So let's get some pizza and get home, because I'm editing the show reel for 2020. And I think it's going to be really good. So let's get back to it.
Mycket tjockare liksom.
Häfta på den. Det var den första färgen jag kände att det här kan gå.
Ja. Ja, men alltså det här som är liksom sprött här, det känns som att det binder fast det och så...
Well, what's up guys? We're back in the garage. We missed out on shooting one episode or one visit here, and that was when we picked up this. This is Unigrund, it's a color from Caparol. After trying the different options, we came to the conclusion that that was the oil-based paint that worked. It doesn't destroy the paint underneath, and it also seems to be a very close match on the color, so that's a good one. After researching how to get the price down as good as possible, we got some help from Stångberg's who helped me to get a better discount on that paint, so big thank you for that. So me and Richard, or Rickard, I always said it in English, but I don't know why. We went down here a couple of days ago and we covered up most of the things that has bled through. And Sebastian is here today, also with me. He's the guy behind the camera. And today we're going to try to cover this up with oil-based paint, and also, as Sebastian has done before I came here, he's built up part of the wall that was cracking. So that's good. So let's cover it with paint and see how much paint we use, and hopefully we make it work. Well, that wraps up today. I've been trying to cover everything that's been bleeding through, and also the corner that hasn't got the paint stuck from the beginning. So I covered all of this, tried to paint the lower part there, and also up here we had some problems with bleeding through, so I tried to take care of that. This was the biggest wall, so as you can see, it's all white now. It's starting to dry in certain parts, so that's good. Also took that pillar as well. So that's good. I put a second layer there and also that crack over there. So I think most part is done. Now we're going to let it dry, and then we're going to try to spot repair the stuff that we see. I know some stuff that we need to do as well, but yeah, we're getting there. It feels good to finally see the walls almost entire white at least. So one step at a time, I guess. I'm getting pretty tired of this painting stuff. It's been taking a lot longer than it was supposed to. So hopefully we get it done tomorrow or Monday, and we can prep the garage to grind the concrete and get it ready for painting the floor, as I told you before. So yeah, long day. See you. Talk to you later. Bye.
Vad är det?
Va? Du borde gå fram med kameran va?
Du är typ likadan.
Ja, jag vet det.
Det är därför det är gött att hålla i kameran.
Okay, då. So, what's up guys? We're back. Today is the sausage party with the guys.
Yeah.
So, I know you've seen him before. This is Erik.
Hello.
He's going to be a part of the garage as well, and he's going to do a project around
A scooter?
Yeah.
Yeah, a scooter project. We're going for 94cc. Joop.
Just something fun to do.
Yeah.
In between. And Richard, I think you've seen him before. He's the guy with the red RX-7.
Richard, yes. Red R7, going for the rotary life, I guess. So
The expensive life.
yeah, 18 hours per day in garage, and then it should be. Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah. So yeah, that's.
We have we have a lot of work to do, but I think it's going to be really good when we're done. So yesterday we were here together with Sebastian, and as you can see, we removed all of the stuff that was covering the floor for the paint. We almost completed all of the paint work as well, so we only have some minor stuff left, but that's something that we can do afterwards. So today the idea is to prep the garage for the floor grinder, so we can get some paint on the floor this week. So really excited for that, and not much more to say, so let's get to work.
The chief.